Here we have some seating options for children. Seating is important to maintain proper trunk alignment and to get them in a position to maybe work on some other things. Here's an example of some floor sitters. So this will sit on the floor and you'll be able to strap the child in safely. This is a ladybug chair. It's more upright position. So if the child is able to sit more upright, that's more ideal for them. Down here we have some floor sitters that are flexible. So this is a go-to seat. You can, it comes with a stand that will sit on the floor, but you can also take this soft seat off and put it in a chair or a shopping cart or a wagon and take them outside for a walk. So that's a very versatile product. And then seating also comes in high-low options. So this is a Rifton high-low chair. It will go up and down, and it'll also tilt back and forth. So there's just a variety of seating options just depending on the child's need and what type of work they're trying to accomplish. Okay, we also have other positioning options such as this Tadpole Positioning system. So these pieces can be rearranged so a child can work on sitting up to begin with. There are lots of different varieties of positions you can do with these. And then down here we have wedges in different widths. So you can also work on positioning in an upright position from lying down. So all these things can kind of be segued into more complicated, more involved positioning equipment. So here are examples of a couple of our standers. Obviously these are child sized. Standers are important to promote healthy digestion, to promote circulation, and to work on prolonged stretching. So this is a Bantam sit-to-stand. Basically, the child can sit down like they're in a chair, and then you can raise the back up until they're at the standing position that you need. And then this is a smaller stander called a Squiggles. So these are examples of gait trainers and walkers. These are child-sized. So the importance of gait trainers and walkers is that it promotes standing, which can help with digestion. It can also put them at a level where they can better interact with their peers. And of course, it builds strength in their legs. So this is an example of it. This is called a kid walk. It has more support than this typical walker here. So you can see where there's more side supports. There's actually support in the middle, so there's not such a risk of falling. So kids can start off on this, and hopefully they can move on as they build strength to something like a simple walker. So this is an example of an adaptive stroller. They're different from regular strollers in that typical strollers are only for a certain age group. So once your child hits, say, 2 or so, they're going to need something that's supportive still, but will allow them to go out into the environment.